guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to add on Google Chrome browser Google Translate. So just click turn on Google browser and click settings and language. Then it's called right button, it's called down, use Google Translate is on and off. So translate into the site language English and automatically translate language not added, but never offer translate this language English. So I need any language translate English, so never translate this language English is not no language added, so automatically language, and this is all language added. So I hope you need every language translate to English, so you need mark all language, so just add. And I hope actually it's work. So just search on Google Google News, okay. So then not now and Google News, okay, click on Google News and translate is not work, okay, because already translate already have English. So you if try others language and translate English language. So I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So goodbye.